guys, it's your girl Leslie and welcome to my channel.
Come with me and you'll be
So hey guys, I know it's been a while. This video, I am making this video simply for a person because I was like, they were like asking how to change your profile thing, like, cause mine is Black Lives Matter, you know, the logo or whatever. And basically they wanted to know how to do that, so I'm going to show you guys real quickly. So sorry if this is properly edited or something, but this is like super short, and I'm sorry if I won't be back in a little bit. It's because I just started marching band, practicing every day for 2 weeks or longer, and mixed schedules, yada yada, yeah, etc. But I'm doing okay so far. I guess I'll try and keep you guys updated. But anyways, continue with the video. First things first, to go to freaking Google Chrome. Make sure you're on your freaking homepage. Just look up youtube.com on here. Like at the very top, not at the very bottom. And it will take you literally either to not youtube.com or kind of like it, but not really. And then just use the desktop website. And yeah, you may have to zoom in to do some things, but I'll let this load up a little bit first, so nothing else can be so confusing. Okay, it's just can't zoom, just press that little thing right there in the corner. Mine is Black Lives Matter. And you go to your channel. Yeah, go to your channel. You just go to normal home in your channel. You don't need to go through all that. Just go to your channel. Sorry if this is complicated. It is a little bit for me, so just, yeah, stick with me here, people. Okay, so whenever you pop up here, you go basically, because it usually lets you press it and then you can edit photo or whatever. Sometimes you'll have to like go to customize channel to do it, but you just press it, then you change it to whatever you like. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna change this logo. But yeah, it'll take 1 or 2 days to actually pop up everywhere, but it will pop up to you as soon as you change it. But that's really it. And for the background, same thing, just press it. And yeah, it's not that difficult. You can also add links in the like wedges or whatever. And you can also this is how you can put your YouTube channel to be like home, videos, playlist, discussion about. That's gonna be a little bit more of a detailed video that I have no patience or time to do today. So this is the shortest and dumbest tutorial I could do, people. I wish you luck, and yeah. Yeah, that's really it. Dark mode, yes, YouTube has dark mode. I love dark mode, so I'm gonna put it in dark mode. So perfect, yay. Okay, well anyways guys, I'm gonna go. Bye and peace.